Today we are going to learn how to install JDK and set the path for it. This is first ever Java tutorial by FocusUs, so let's get started. So first of all, go to your browser and type in Java JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit. It allows us to compile our Java program and run it. Click on the first link. And JDK is in version 10.0.2. This is the latest one, so we are going to download it. So just click here, JDK download, and now just accept the license agreement. And here's the list of OS and its download file. I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to download this. So guys, I have downloaded it here in my downloads folder, and here is our JDK 10.0.2. So I know you guys are clever, just go ahead and click it several times, click next, and download it, install it by default setting. So I'm just going to skip that part. So let's make sure you downloaded it correctly or not. Just go to this PC here and into your C drive. Hopefully you downloaded it in your C drive. Now under C drive you just need to go to program files and Java. Here we have our JDK 10.0.2. If you guys don't see it, you didn't install it correctly, so I suggest you to go and install it again. So now just go into JDK. Under JDK it have a bunch of file here, but we just need to go into bin here. So this part is very important, pay attention. So just copy its address, make sure it is inside bin, into our program files and Java JDK 10.0.2 and bin. Just copy address, that's it. Now let's go to our run by pressing Windows and R at the same time. Make sure you have CMD here and press OK. So just type here Java C. So we just downloaded it correctly, but if it says it does not recognize Java C. Java C is just a command for Java compilation, but it is not recognized. Why is that so? Because we haven't set an environment variable for JDK, so that's the reason it is not working. So guys, now we are going to set the environment variable for JDK. So in order to do that, just close it and close this too. Go to your control panel and here it is. Just click here and system and security. Under system and security you need to go to system, and here is our advanced system settings. Double click it and make sure now you are into under this advanced, and now click environment variables. So now we need to click this new, and here we have it. Now we need to write this path, capital P A T H, just like this, and copy the thing just that I just say important. So this is it guys, this is what it was important for. Now just we need to press OK and OK here too, and again here. So now we need to go to run and type Java C. Just enter it twice and here we have it. These are files here. I don't know what it is, but it just says uh, it just indicates we have installed JDK and set the path correctly. Now we are good to go and write Java program, compile it and run it. That's what we're gonna do in next video. Until then, goodbye everybody.